Mataba.
Just Ram and Max. Hello. Yeah. Oh, we're going up.
Checking the bucket.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. 160 degrees. Oh my goodness. I'm nervous. Oh my god.
Hold the camera.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Puerto Silvestre.
Ah, cette dame là, oui, c'est Sylvester. Going straight up.
Finally, nakakatakot. Final mo. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito, di ba? This is really a must-visit spot here in Switzerland, near Interlaken. It's super worth it to visit this place. Medyo thrilling, adrenaline talaga yung pagtaas kasi 160 degrees, pero guys, worth it. Ako takot ako, pero si Max mahilig siya sa ganun, so, you know, wait lang, picturean ko lang siya.
Continue.
Ginagawa mo!
Watch your step, man. Concrete en dessous. You know, like when we climb the castle. Tu vois, when I go up the roof.
Ouais.
C'est worse than that encore.
C'est vrai?
Ouais, because it's smooth.
So, we're now here in Gelmerban Funicular. So, kakaakyat lang namin. And guys, grabe, worth it talaga yung punta dito. And, nako, hindi kayo no regrets talaga. Yung pataas, medyo nakakatakot. Pag nandito ka na sa taas, it's like heaven. And yung lake dito, parang nandun ka lang sa baba. But, you know what I mean?
No.
Nahirap siya intindihan, but pag nagpunta kayo dito, oh my goodness, no regrets. Nga lang, mag-pray muna kayo bago ko yung umakyat. Para kung may mangyari man, diretso na kayo sa heaven. Diba?
Konti lang. Port d'Alawalang en fait. If I'm not mistaken. Ah, vas-y chérie.
Tara na! Kain tayo na!
Qu'est-ce que tu racontes?
Ginagawa niya yung name namin. Ang sweet naman ng lalaking to. Kita ba yung brief? May naku siya. Hawakan natin yung puwet. Chuk. Kita niyo ba ang pangalan ko? Ayan, ang galing. R-H-A-M. Ram. Kwa? Yeah. Gago. Gago ka talaga. Buwang talaga tong lalaking to. Sinira. Mahal, faster! We need to go! More dangerous.
Searching for a just come. We must never stop the way. Cause you're rescue to love. Life is heavy, so we must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, never be alone. Savannah, beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride home. Savannah. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, I'll never be alone. Savannah,
I think before there's just the wagon with the wire and the locomotive is upstairs using the locomotive to make the rolling the wire.
You know guys, focus please, focus. Ayaw mo, focus ah.
Not wet?
It's wet. It's wet.
Oh, that's why it doesn't focus because it has drop on the
You know guys. Hello guys. So, I'm so amazed and heads up talaga sa mga tao before. 1926 na mahal?
Right.
1926 ng mga tao noong 1926 kung gano'n sila kagaling, kautak. I mean, walang machine. I mean, not machine. I mean, walang
Locomotive lang, steam locomotive.
yeah, hindi ganun ka.
All by hand.
Yeah, it's all made by hand. Hindi ganun kaganda yung mga gamit nila, hindi ganun ka wala pang technology kagaya nung ngayon. Na alam mo yun yung mga ginagawa ngayon, ang dali masira, it get destroyed easily. But yung mga dati pa, grabe sobrang tagal na nito, 1926. Tapos ano ngayon, 2018, gumagana pa din and sobrang galing talaga. Sobrang takot ko kasi baka pag bumitaw, talagang bababa kami, tapos tatalon pa kami ng gano'n. Grabe, hindi ko kaya. So, hingal. Worth it guys, sa mga nanonood nito guys. I'm telling you, to all the Filipina here in Europe,
Should be on the top of the
to all the Filipina here in Europe, I'm telling you guys, puntahan nyo to. Siguro, sinasabi nila mahal ang Switzerland. Well, it's not that true. May mga place na like restaurant which is not expensive. There's hotel, the budget hotel din. Kung gusto niya may paraan talaga. Like us, we don't have that much money to go here. We're not rich. Sabi nila, yung mga rich daw nakakapunta dito kasi mahal daw dito, but we're not rich. Pero dito kami ngayon sa Switzerland, lahat ng kaibigan namin, umagas na ulan.
Bye.
So yan, to be continued guys, bigla kasi umulan eh. Stop talking and vlogging.
Pardon.
So, worth it guys. And what ano siya sa kanina, yung mga Filipina nandito sa Europe or gustong pumunta dito sa Europe, I'm telling you guys, isama nyo sa bucket list nyo itong Switzerland, Galmerban, kasi sobrang worth it talaga guys. I'm telling you, awayin nyo na ako kung hindi siya worth it. But if you love thrill adventure talaga, mahal, this is 100%, di ba?
What?
And ako, sobrang takot ako. Hindi ako masyado thrill. Yung 100% thrill, hindi ko kaya talaga. Talagang, para mahimatay ako. But, sobrang worth it. Tumitingin ako, pero pa konti-konti lang. And, sobrang, ano nyo talaga, sobrang tarik. Nakakatakot. Alam mo, may isip mo na paano pag biglang bumitaw to, eh di bagsakan dire-diretso, diba? Sobrang nakakatakot talaga. But, worth it pag nasa taas ka na. Tapos, may parang lake pa doon, yung dam nila. May dam pa sa taas. And ano, may dam sa taas. Tapos ang ganda talaga guys, ang ganda. Sobrang worth it. So please, bisitahin nyo. Kahit huwag na kayo magpunta sa mga ano, adventure park. Dito okay na sulit. Kasi meron pa silang tulay. Meron silang bridge. Diba? Hanging bridge, Mal.
Ça, je dis, the Hanging Bridge it was built or finished in 2006 for built, and it's 70 meters high and 70 meters long.
So guys, hindi ako, nung nag-cross ako sa bridge, I didn't look down. Ang dami kasing tao din na lumadaan. So baka pag natakot ako gumalaw, natakot ako sa galaw nila, parang mabibiyak yung bridge. Sobrang nakatakot, but he really loves adventure and thrill. Ako naman picture using my ano.
It really looks like Pavia.
Hello guys, so we're now here in Valley Hostel. Nagbook ako ng Valley Hostel lang kasi hindi naman kailangan ng hotel kasi one night lang naman, sayang. Ito na nga, medyo mahal na nga to para sa amin eh. For one night lang. So, labas muna tayo. Look at that view. Wow.
The flag is from the up. They put a things to make it fall down.
Ah.
Finally, you did it, my beach.
Kalma, kalma. I'm relaxing lang.
Don't eat,
I'm relaxing lang.